Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 65 is a project involves 8 activities with the precedence, relationship and duration as shown in the table below. The slack for activity D is dash hours. Answer in integer. Activities are A. Immediate successor, none, duration 4. Activity B. Immediate predecessor, A, duration 8. Activity C, immediate predecessor, A, duration 5. Activity D, immediate predecessor, B, duration 2. Activity E, immediate predecessor, B, duration 7. Activity F, immediate predecessor, C, duration 6. Activity D, immediate predecessor, D, duration 3. H, immediate predecessor, E, F, G, and duration 9. So if we draw the project network, then first activity is 8 and the duration is 4. And then there is B and its immediate predecessor is 8. So this is B and its duration is 8. And then there is C, its duration is 5 and immediate predecessor is 2. So C is this. Then there is D, its immediate predecessor is B and duration is 2. Okay. And then there is E, immediate predecessor as B and duration 7. Then F, immediate predecessor as C and duration 6. Then G, immediate predecessor as D and duration 3. Then there is H, immediate predecessor are G, E and F. So E and F are joined by this dummy activity with G. Okay, and duration of H is 9. So from this network we have critical path as A, B, E, H. A, B, E, H. Duration of critical path is 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9, that is 28. Okay. Other paths are A, C, F and H, but these are not critical paths. This is not critical path, and other one more path is just A, B, D, G, H. This is also not critical path because their duration is 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 9, 24. So that so this is less than next one. Similarly, this path is also not the critical path. Suppose EFT and LFT are earliest finishing time and latest finishing time of the activity. So if we want to find out the earliest finishing time of D and latest finishing time of D, then we have to assign the earliest finishing time and latest finishing time to the critical activities. For A, earliest starting time is 0 and latest starting time is 0, and finishing time is 4 and 4. These will be same for critical path. For B, the latest and earliest finishing time is 12 and 12. For E, it is 19 and 19, and for H, it is 28 and 28. So if we take this node and find out the earliest finishing time of activity D, then it will be 12 plus 2, 4, 14. And latest finishing time of activity D will be 19 minus 3, that is 16. So there is difference between earliest finishing time and latest finishing time. That difference is called slack. So slack is 16 minus 14, 2. Okay. So answer is 2. So we can read this also. For critical path, EFT and LFT are same, but D is not in the critical path. Its earliest finishing time will be calculated. Earliest finishing time of B plus duration, that is 12 plus 2, 14, and latest finishing time will be calculated EFTG minus duration, that is duration of D minus that is 19 minus 3, that is 16. So answer is 2, slack is